I think, in my opinion, we do see that the software development lifecycle is changing now with the involvement of AI, but interestingly, it's more around the bits that are missing that can be there now. So what I mean by that is if you had documentation that was poor, AI can help you do that. If your test cases weren't complete, AI can help you with that. Expected results for testing, AI can help you with that. So it's supplementing the life cycle in my mind. Obviously, people talk a lot about coding and the power of being able to do more generative AI-based coding. Certainly seeing that, but the actual power of it for me is more around the other areas right now. People are at different points in their own personal journey and different views on how important it is or isn't for their roles. But this isn't a piece of software or an approach that's one size fits all. It's different for everybody. And therefore, I think CGI's approach has been very pragmatic. And that has meant that we've got a lot of good knowledge and skills, but that we don't think we're finished yet. It's an early start to a very long journey. And I feel like my job is to make sure that everybody keeps open-minded and they have the tools, skills and resources that they need in order to change and adapt as the market changes. I think trust and governance is the same regardless, and we shouldn't use AI personally as an excuse for not doing things properly. So we know if something's right or wrong. We don't abdicate responsibility. We're paid to take difficult decisions and we should do them. We should have audit trails and have the level of security, etc., that you'd expect, whether we were doing it with a pencil and a piece of paper or whether we're using AI or IT, So I don't think any of that changes. It's just our approach needs to adapt to the technology. So, for example, if you do start using agents, you can't give away the responsibility of what those agents do to them, because ultimately you are still responsible. The world of AI is only just beginning, and therefore it would be foolish to lock in lots of processes and procedures now because it's changing so much. So the role of CGI is to change and pivot with it, and not to assume that we've actually completed or concluded anything right now, but that we're open to learning and adapting and developing as we move forward. And then we take our clients by the hand and we help them do that as well, because we have the skills and the knowledge to know a little bit more potentially than they do on this topic, but we're all learning. So I think it's demonstrating what's happening, talking about what could happen, and then taking our clients with us is the role of CGI now.